and society. This is the first lecture, so let's talk a little bit about the book we are going to study and the supplementary materials of our lectures. The book is A Gift of Fire by Sarah Bass, and here is an image of the book. The book consists of 9 chapters. We distribute them into 27 short lectures. Regarding the supplementary materials, we use the original PowerPoint slides of the book with the little changes in design. Each slide has a referencing page number that is displayed in the bottom left corner of the slide. So, if you need more information or more details about the topics discussed in the slide, you can go to the specified page number in the book and you will find what you want. I hope you enjoy studying this course, and now let's get started. The topics to be covered in this lecture: the pace of change and unexpected developments. A change is a normal thing in our life. Once a new technology or a new innovation introduced, it is likely to cause a change. New technologies could affect our life either positively or negatively. Look at the brief history of computer. You will find many changes between the computers in the past and the computers nowadays. You will find changes in computer size, in the computer storage capacity, in the computer speed, and also in the computer availability and usage. Look at this discussion question. What devices are now computerized that were not originally? Think about TVs, camera, watches and clocks, etc. You will find that there are many devices uses computer. Now we want to see what is the impact of the change. We will discuss some examples and we see what is the impact of the change in these examples. First one is the cell phones. In the cell phones, the big changes happens especially in the last 5 years. In the past, cell phones used for just conversation and messaging, but nowadays cell phones used for conversation, messaging, taking picture, sharing picture, downloading music, watching video, checking emails, playing games, etc. And also there are some smartphone application perform some tasks and functions. On the other hand, there are some drawbacks of the changes happen on the cell phones. For example, the location tracking. Location tracking raises privacy concerns. Also, using the cameras of the cell phone in the public or non-public places. This also could affect the privacy. And there are a lot of drawbacks like this. Kill switches could remove content that infringes copyrights. It's also be used to remove content that a company or government deems offensive. Another example is the social networking, such as Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, etc. Social networking is popular with hundreds of millions of people because of the ease with which they can share aspects of their lives. We can get many benefits from social networking, such as businesses connect with customers, organizations seek donations, groups organize volunteers, etc. In the communication and web, people worldwide still send several billions emails daily. Although texting, tweeting, and other social media have replaced emails as the favorite communication method in many contexts, there are some drawbacks for the communication and the web. For example, blogs begin as outlet for the people who want to express their idea, but they become a significant source of news and entertainment. Also, the inexpensive video cameras and video manipulation tools have resulted in a burst of people who likes video. Another example is the telemedicine. Telemedicine, also known as long distance medicine, it can be used in prisons to reduce change of escape, on long airplane flights to treat sick passengers, or in rural areas to consult with the medical specialists. In the collaboration field also, Wikipedia, for example, that is online collaborative encyclopedia written by volunteer. Informal community of programmers create and maintain free software, as well as for the watchdogs on the web. Informal, decentralized group of people help investigate crimes. Also, there is some unexpected developments in e-commerce. In e-commerce, there are some changes happened. In e-commerce, the way of buying and selling has been changed. The most common examples of e-commerce is the Amazon.com, eBay.com, and etc. But there is a concern about the payment. It is not always secure to use your credit card on your online purchase. Sometimes you may use your credit card information on unsecured website, so your credit card information will be stolen. For that reason, some companies like PayPal grow out of the need for trusted intermediary to handle payment. Also, there are some development in the free stuff. For example, email programs, email accounts, browser filters, firewalls, encryption software, word processor, spreadsheets, software for viewing documents, software to manipulate photos and videos, and much more. Also, regarding the phone service, there are voice over IP, such as Skype. Also, for the advertisement, like the website Craigslist, the university lectures, such as the lectures that I present right now. And also there are others developments in many fields. For example, the artificial intelligence, robots, smart sensors, motion and control tools for disabled people. In the artificial intelligence, it is a field of computer science that simulates the human brain thinking. And for example, for tools for disabled people, a blind person can use handheld devices that combine optical character recognition with a speech synthesizer to read menus and receipts. Also, people who cannot use their hands can dictate documents to a word processor and give commands to a computer to control household appliances. So this is the impact of the change of the development in the computing field. I hope you spend a nice time to see this lecture, and I hope to meet you in the second lecture. Bye.